A love letter to life. Lessons to leave for your children. This video is a profound manifesto of love, wisdom, and humanity. A legacy etched in words that will resonate for generations. This is your call to live boldly, love deeply, and leave behind treasures of the heart. 1. Love is your greatest achievement. Life isn't measured by trophies or titles, but by the courage to love without reservation. The most meaningful legacies are built in quiet acts of kindness, in the encouragement of someone's dreams, and in showing up, even when it's hard. Tell your children this. Be the kind of love that transforms hearts. 2. Embrace your perfect imperfections. Radical self-acceptance is both a liberation and a superpower. Embrace your own and others' quirks, forgive our mistakes, and celebrate our humanity. Tell your children, the world doesn't need you to be perfect. It needs you to be authentic. There's beauty in your scars. They tell your story. 3. Grief is a sacred teacher. Grief isn't an adversary to defeat. It's a wise guide through the labyrinth of loss. Mourning is an act of love and a gateway to healing. Teach your children, don't fear grief, honor it, let it shape you, and know it's a reminder of the depth of your love. 4. Time is the most precious gift. The treasures of life can't be wrapped in bows. Our presence, listening, and shared laughter are the greatest offerings we can give. Tell your children, your time and attention are the most valuable gifts you'll ever offer someone. Give them freely and often. 5. Resilience is found in every step. True strength isn't about never falling. It's about always rising. Resilience is built in the quiet determination to keep going, even when the road feels endless. Tell your children, courage is the act of trying again and again, and the world rewards those who keep walking. 6. You are the author of your legacy. Life's greatest lesson is this. What we leave behind isn't in our possessions, but in the hearts we touch. Tell your children, build a legacy of love, compassion, and wisdom. Be the reason someone feels seen, safe, and loved. 7. Life is a journey we take together, none of us walk alone. Our vulnerability reminds us of the sacredness of connection, that we are here to hold each other's hands through triumph and tragedy. Tell your children, be a light in someone's darkness. Together we walk each other home. Live fully, fearlessly. Now finally, we are called to live boldly in the present. Tomorrow isn't promised, and regret comes from the chances we didn't take. Tell your children, dance when you feel joy, cry when you feel sorrow, speak your truth loudly, be unapologetically alive.